And in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you log in to your Leonardo AI account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Leonardo AI application. And after opening the Leonardo AI, you will get to see this option of Get Started into top right. Now, in order to log in, you just simply have to tap into Get Started. And after going into here, you will directly get this option of login page. Now, in order to log in or continue with your account, you just simply have to choose the previous sign in option from your account. If you had used the Google option, you have to pick Google now. If you had used Apple, you have to do the same process again, and same goes with the Microsoft. Now you just simply have to choose your account, email address or password. Just simply do this. Using your account, your Leonardo AI will successfully be logged in into your device. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.